My name is Johan Lindberg.
And I'm Christina Schultz. And we work together under our names, Ateljé, Schultz, Lindberg. Our projects, they start out as an idea or a big question, something that we find interesting, and we start researching it. It's always the question itself that sets our direction and forces us then to work in new materials and new ways that we never used before, I think.
It is. And the synergy is, I'd say, in between us. It's a constant movement between us. It's a dialogue, ongoing, 24/7.
Also meaning that our projects never become finished. If we start with one question, we end up with like 100 questions.
In a way, that's what design is. It's a process. Something finished, that's not design anymore, that's a product. Over the last 3 years, we've been working hard on the topic artificial intelligence.
Yeah, I think when we started out, it was really obvious that most people don't understand the ingredients of this topic. It's very abstract and sci-fi, maybe.
Yeah, it's a little sci-fi, and lots of people believe that there needs to be a body involved, some kind of robot perhaps.
And yeah, we really had the aim to somehow make a gestalt where you can show the ingredients behind an artificial intelligence. So somehow materialize the knowledge transfer from human to the machine.
And in that process, you need the data, you need the machine that can process the data.
The computer.
The computer, yeah. You need the algorithm as well.
To us, design is a much broader field than only, for instance, aesthetics or the visual aspects of design. In order to make designers, but also, of course, the public, aware of what design also embodies, we really wanted to somehow achieve to make this machine who could make its own designs.
And if you look closer into the design process, it's kind of linear. You start somewhere, and there's some problem, you need to address some details perhaps, and there's an outcome. And if you reduce that process in small steps, it could easily be reproduced by an artificial intelligence. And that's, in a sense, what this project is all about, I'd say. Showing that as a designer, we're not really needed anymore. We can be replaced in some aspects, perhaps.
Exactly. And then our hope is then that people will really strengthen the other aspects of design.
The more human-centered aspects of design, where you have a great understanding of your user, perhaps, or the objects you craft, the very small details that an artificial intelligence can have a hard time grasping, perhaps. That's what's becoming important.